Welcome all. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can test your web application in your mobile devices. Not only in single mobile device, you can test it on multiple type of mobile devices and without using the actual mobile devices. So for that purpose, you can take the help of your Chrome browser. So how it is possible? Let's see. This is my Chrome browser. In my Chrome browser, I have already opened, you can say my sample page or application, whatever you can say. So I can test it here. So I've already written a code for automation code using Selenium here. You can see here that I already, you can just shared in my previous live sessions also. You can get it from there also. So this is my page and this is my Java Selenium code to automate this thing. So let me run it and just see it is working fine or not. So I've run it. Okay, so it is working fine. So now let me close it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to show you that how you can automate uh, this mobile application, this application on your mobile device. So before that, let me show you that how you can test it for on different mobile devices without using the actual model. So in that case, this is my Chrome browser. Just use the shortcut key Control F12 and you will see it will open a window. So right side, this window which you are able to see, this part is known as developer tools, and in this developer tools you will see an option that is this icon. This is called toggle device toolbar, and when you click on, you will see the left side, you will see it will show you option like something like that. There is option, the resolution, you can say that is changed, and this resolution is changed according to the device, according to the mobile device which is selected here. Okay, so it is not refreshing, so let me come back here. Now you can see it is refreshing. Okay, now you can see here, so it is showing you the resolution of the device according to the selected here. So here you can say dimension iPad here. So when I click on it and I'll change my iPhone SE, you can see it is changing here. Now I can change it for Galaxy S8. You can see it here. Now I can go for iPad Air. You can see it is increased. So actually, for you can see in this option, in this drop down option, you can see there are different type of mobile devices are there. iPhone SE, iPhone XR, iPhone. So on any device, if you want to test it, you can test it manually also with the help of this one. Simply you have to open this developer tools function F12 keys, using a function F12 keys, and then you click on this toggle device toolbar icon, and left side you will able to see these options. Okay, so this is the device, and this is the responsive. You can create your custom size of the device. Okay, so and this is the first thing is called width, this is called height, and this is called your this is zoom percentage, means you can say this device is actually using the 40%. Okay, so now you can see the same thing we can achieve with the help of automation also. Okay, so this is let me do one thing. Let me close it here. Okay, now I will go to here. This is your automation. So how you can modify your automation so that same Selenium automation can run in your Chrome tool and you can achieve your mobile testing. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all, what you have to do, you have to actually create a, you have to call a function driver. That is already you have a driver, hello driver dot get dev tools. Okay, you have to call this function. Okay, when you call this function, after that you have called this function. Now create a reference for it. So I will create the name of the class is DevTools. I can copy it from here. So this is the name of class DevTools. I'm creating a creating a reference variable DevTools. Okay, this stuff. Okay, so now I've created this one. I've created the object of DevTools. Here I call the driver.getTools functions. Now in the second line, what we have to do, you have to do DevTools dot, and there is a function that is called create session. This is okay, so it will create a dev tool session for you. Now after that, the last step is that you have to create a call a function devtools dot, and there is a function that is called devtools dot send. You have to call the send command, and the send command you have to use a class that is called emulation. Emulation dot, and you will see so many functions are there. Which function you have to call? You have to call in DevTools. Actually, you are simulating. So for simulation, you call a function send, and in the send function, you have to write emulation dot, and here you will see set device matrix override. What do you mean by set device matrix override? Actually, using this function, you can changes the settings of your device, like whatever options I've shown you, like with height, dimension, everything you can. So let me select this one. So now you can see, you are able to see this function here, and different type of parameters here. So I'm going to pass the parameters according to my requirements. But before that, let me make it little bit good in terms of look and feel. So let me do this thing. Let me do this thing. Let me do this thing. Okay, so it will be easy for me. It will be easy for me if I'm going to write in different lines, and you will understand easily also. Now this one, now this one, now this one. Okay, so now what we have to pass in with, what is height, what is device scale factor, so you can see it from here. This one. Okay, let me again do Control F12, so it will do. Okay, so suppose I want to run it. Let me run it iPhone SE. It is small device, so I want to run my automation in it. So it means when the browser will open, it will open according to the this device, iPhone SE device size. Okay, according. So this is the width. So let me copy the width. I will copy the width from here. Let me pass it here in the width parameter. Then I will go and will pass this one height. Let me copy it height and paste it here. What is device scale factor? Device scale factor is means this is 78%. So let me go and pass it 78%. Okay, and in the mobile, this parameter is always be true. True means you want to simulate in the mobile device. Okay, so you want to use your developer tools using your mobile option. Now what we have to pass here, you have to write optional optional, and dot, there is a function. Okay, optional optional dot, and there is a name of the function empty. So it means what you have to do, you just remove this template here. So if you don't want to pass, any parameter, like there is other parameters you can pass, screen width. If you don't want to pass, it is optional. So in that case, you have to just mention this thing optional.empty, so that you can tell, okay, I don't want to pass this now. This option is very important. Screen orientation, when you want to make the orientation like horizontal or landscape, so you can use it here. For the timing, I'm not using it here. My focus is only that how you can run your automation on your Chrome DevTools. So now we are ready to run it. So let me run it. The rest of the code is same. Now you can see here easily. That left side, it has just opened this, you can say Chrome browser using the same size according to iPhone SE. So if you want to run on different device, you can also run it. How it is possible? So I have shown you. Let me change that, you can say resolution also. Let me go here. Suppose you want to run it on Galaxy Fold. Okay, so this is the size, Galaxy Fold. Let me copy this one, Galaxy Fold 280. So you just go and make it 280. Now let me go here and make it 673. Okay, 673. Let me copy 673 here, and here you have to 79. So let me write a scale factor 79. You can make it 100% also. Okay, that is your choice. Okay, sorry, it is 79, I think. If you want to make it, 100%, you can make it 100% also. Okay, now I'm going to write, and now see, this time it will open according to this configuration. Okay, so let me show you. Now you can say this time it is opening. You can say now it is more small. Okay, so this is open. So actually, with the help of this, you can make your mobile testing also. Okay, so in this way, this option is available in Selenium 4, and you can easily. So you can see here, already you have written a code, this one code. Only adding this code, you can run your automation in your mobile. Rest of the test cases steps will run in the same way. Okay, so I think you have learned a thing that you can apply in your company if you want to test your application in mobile device also. And if you like the video, if you like the content of the video, you can put some comments on my video. If you have any query, you can put the queries also. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. And especially, please click on the bell icon so that you can you can get the intimation about my new upcoming videos. Thank you.